For clarity, I wish to reiterate the persons cited in contempt and the persons to be issued subpoena. So the persons cited in contempt are Alice Guo or Guo Huaping, Nancy J. Gamo, Dennis Cunanan, Wen Yi Lin, Simon L. Guo, Jian Zhong Guo, Wesley Guo, and Sheila Guo. The chair of this committee is ordering the arrest of the person cited in contempt to be submitted to the SP for his signature. Additionally, the persons to be issued subpoena are Jamie Lynn S. Cruz, Roderick Paul B. Pujante, Juan Miguel Alpas, Catherine Cassandra Ong, Alberto Rodulfo A.R. de la Serna, Jonathan Mendoza, Ronelyn B. Baterna, Michael Bryce B. Mascarenas, Stephanie B. Mascarenas, Rodrigo A. Banda, Jing Gu, Xiang Tan, Daniel Salcedo Jr., Chona A. Alejandre, and Duan Ren Wu. Once more for the record, Sen. Nancy.
Yes, I second the motion, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Sen. Nancy, for the seconding and hearing no objection. Once more for the record, I so rule.